Welcome back. In this video, I'll be taking you through the unboxing process of the Nintendo Switch 2. So this is how the box looks like. This is how it's going to be like whenever you're going to stores to buy it. And so let's just jump right in and see what's inside the box. So let's just open this flap. And then the first thing that you'll see when you unbox or just remove the cover is the Joy-Cons, which are slightly bigger than the last models. So you have the right and left options. And then you also have the console itself. So here you have the console itself. Let's just remove it from the package. And so this is how it looks like, the front screen. And so you have USB-C at the bottom. You have the places or this for the Joy-Cons themselves, and you'll even see they have pins, as they should. And then you have more ports at the top, volume, power, another USB-C option, and a place for your game card. Let's just put that on the side and see what else is inside the box. So underneath, there's this other box here as well. And right here, you have a cable for HDMI. And then you have the Joy-Con attachments. So these are the ones that allow you to turn your Joy-Cons into mice that you can use in games and other activities. And then you just have the usual Nintendo Switch 2 important information booklet. So let's just put that on the side. And underneath even that, you have other items inside. So here, when we remove this, you can see here the little hub for your Joy-Cons. Let's put that on the side like that. You have your charging brick, as USB-C one port. You have your charging cable, USB-C as well. And then on this side, let's just remove it. You have the dock that allows you to connect your Nintendo to your TV. So this is how it looks like. It comes with fans for cooling. And so, yeah. So let's just put all of these things to the side. And so now this is every single item that was previously in the box. So again, you have your console itself. You can even go ahead and attach the Joy-Cons. Like that. And so that's how it looks like with the Joy-Cons attached. Then you have your charging items, your cable as well as brick. You have your hub for attaching your Joy-Cons. And then you have your little attachments for the Joy-Cons. So say for example, you have removed the Joy-Cons. So just press on this button right here and then just slide it off. So say for example, you've removed this Joy-Con, you can then grab its attachment and you can turn it into a mouse. Like that. Like that. Now you can use this as a mouse whenever it's connected to your Nintendo Switch 2. Again, you can do the same thing for the other Joy-Con if you wish to. Then you can just remove it like that by ejecting it. Then you can go ahead and just reattach it to your console. Then you have your HDMI cable and your dock that you can use for whenever you want to connect to your TV. And so these are the items that you'll find in your unboxing experience of the Nintendo Switch 2. So I want you to subscribe and stick around for more videos that we're going to be doing for this specific Switch. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below and we'll get back to you.